So today we'll be discussing about Trello for workflows. Down below in the navigation bar on the platform you can find for App Marketplace here and search for Trello. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account or multiple sub accounts at the same time. Continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed now. Let's get back towards agency level. The next step will be moving forward towards the specific sub-account on which we have installed Trello for Workflows. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now we will be choosing the sub-account on which we have installed. Here we are on the sub-account. The next step will be configure the API key and the API token for the Trello account into your platform. You have to get it configured. To do that, so you have to set up your Trello account, and from there you can find the API key and the token here. Let me show you how to do that. Here I am in the Trello account. I have already set it up, and here you can see that I have found it, the API key from here, and the next step will be finding the token that will be founded by here. Click on it, and after that this tab will be opened. You have to allow that, and there you can find for the token. Let's just copy paste the API key and the token towards your platform and integrate that. After copy pasting your API key and token, you can submit. And as you can see, it is configured now. Let's just move forward towards the workflow builder and see how it is working. Click on the automations and create workflow. Start from scratch. Find for Trello. Here it is. These are the variety of actions available for Trello for workflows. Let's just choose any from one of them and create a new action. Let's just create a new comment. In it, you have to just choose the board ID. At first place, you have to create a new board in the Trello account, and you can find your board here. Choose the board. After that, choose the text you want to create in that specific board and list. I'm just texting new comment. You can now just choose for the list in the board. These were the default lists and cards. You can just customize your own and just choose any from one of them. Create and just save this action. Create some notes with that. Custom values, find for Trello, and add some text with that. Save all, and now test your workflows. Set an example, run the test, and head towards the execution logs. It's just taking a while right now. As you can see, it is successfully executed with the notes. It's simple and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.